Before watching this video, remember that it will contain 3 Nitro codes. Sending them all in a ticket on my server will give you Nitro, so be sure to watch the full video to find the codes. I was living my normal life when I saw a ping on my Discord. After 10 minutes, guess what? I had Discord Nitro, I could use external emojis, customize my profile however I wanted, and then I wondered if I should tell you all about this technique so that you can also enjoy the perks of Discord Nitro. So for this, you need to open your Discord app. It can be the desktop version or even the mobile version. If you have a device that never had Discord on it, download Discord on that device and use it. Now it's time to tell you how you can get Discord to give you Nitro. After you have Discord open, go to the Nitro tab. The Nitro tab is on this page where you see your DMs, but on desktop. On mobile, the Nitro tab is right next to the Shop tab and also in the settings. Once you're in this tab, you should see an option to get free Nitro for a month. Just click on the Try 1 month for free button. Now, you can select any form of Nitro, it doesn't matter which one. After you click Next, it will ask you to enter your payment details. Put those in, and now you can click on Get Nitro Monthly. However, it gave me an error because I didn't have any money in my card for a temporary payment. Keep in mind that a temporary payment is a payment where you just pay for a few minutes, and then you get your money back since it's a temporary charge. So I didn't pay for anything, I got my dollar back. Discord does this to prevent people from using any credit card to get Nitro. You can Google temporary payment if you don't believe it. Now, let's talk about what to do if Discord didn't give you Nitro. Well, I was in the same situation a few months ago. However, remember that you will get this trial eventually. My account didn't have Nitro for about 3 months, but then it got Nitro. So if you haven't had Nitro for 1 or 2 months, you should see this option in your settings. Let's talk about how you can cancel this subscription so you don't get charged after your Nitro promotion ends. Go to your user settings, then to subscriptions, and finally click on the cancel button. Discord will try their best to stop you from canceling, but keep going and good luck, soldier. That's it for the video. Thanks to the sponsors for helping out with this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, click the bell icon, and join the server. Also, contact me via email if you want to sponsor a video.